Up early, it's 6:24 in Tennessee, and I woke up feeling like me. Well, I got jamming to that. Kissing you is whatever she said. Anyway, I feel good today. I feel good this morning. Finna drop this load off. And pretty much get paid, get paid, okay. But yeah, put the facial cream on. You know what I'm talking about. Y'all know. Yeah. This what going on, people. This what going on, people. Jamming. I'm gonna leave this truck drive out here right now. Ladies, y'all can't mess with me. Rock and roll, baby. What we doing this morning? What my biscuit? My God. Hey. What's up? Dash that water on there, cause I wasn't finna walk back in the truck stop. That was a no-no. So guess what? I'ma go. Wipe. Ooh, wipe. Ooh, I feel fresh. That Noxemia will have you feeling like you just took a 30 minutes hourly, 3-hourly shower. Waiting on my clock now to turn up so I can go. When my hours.